Software Spring. Presents. How to use Power to calculate CAGR in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the Power function to calculate the CAGR. I request you to please subscribe to this channel, if you have not already done so. Many thanks for your support. Alright, here is a brief intro to CAGR, or Compound Annual Growth Rate. CAGR is average rate at which an investment grows in each year of investment period, with returns compounded annually. Okay, let's take a look at the CAGR formula. Here, T is the number of years of investment. We will calculate the CAGR using this formula directly, and the Power function, each separately. I will use this data of a mutual fund returns. Moving forward, first let's use the CAGR formula directly. Type the equal to symbol, and type the opening parenthesis. For final amount, click this cell, and type the division operator. For initial amount, click this cell, and type the closing parenthesis. To raise a number to the power of any number, type the caret operator. Continue typing the formula. For T, click this cell. Type the closing parenthesis, and type -1. The final formula is. Press enter. Alright, the formula has returned the CAGR. Format the values in %. Now, let's use the Power function for the same task. Let's look at the format of the Power function formula. Type the equal to symbol, P, O, W, and select Power. For base, divide this number by this number, and type comma. For exponent, divide 1 by the years of investment, and type the closing parenthesis. Type -1. The final formula is. Press enter. As before, I will format the values in %, and center align them. There you go. Power has returned the same CAGR. So, what is benefit of using Power function to calculate CAGR? The answer is simplified CAGR formula. Order of calculation is taken care of automatically, which means fewer parentheses. Summary. CAGR can be calculated using the CAGR formula directly, or using the Power function. Power function makes it simpler to calculate CAGR, and order of calculation is automatic. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.